Water flows through a cylindrical pipe of internal diameter 7 cm at 5 meter per second. Calculate the volume in liters of water discharged by pipe in 1 minute. The time in minutes the pipe would fill up an empty rectangular tank of 4 meter 3 meter into 2.31 meter here. So basically the question says there is a pipe. I have drawn the pipe bit thicker to understand this. Diameter is 7 centimeters. So this is the diameter, is 7 centimeter. The radius of the pipe will be half of that. It is in meter, this is in centimeters. I can convert this into meter here, centimeter, it will become 500 centimeter. Now what does it mean? It flows at 5 meter per second. In 1 second, if this length of the pipe from here to here is 5 meter or 500 centimeter, this part from here to this part of the pipe, which is 5 meter in length, will empty up in 1 second. Is it clear? Having a diameter with 7 means 7 upon 2 is the radius. What is the radius of this particular pipe? Radius is 3.5. So there is a pipe whose radius is 3.5 and the length is basically cylinder. The length of the cylinder is 500 centimeter. This amount of the water which is filled up in this particular length of pipe until from here to here only, it will get empty right in 1 second. Is that clear? That is what it means. Calculate the volume in liters of the water discharged by the pipe in 1 minute. So this is in 1 second. We have to find for 60 seconds. So in 1 minute, 1 second, it empties 500 centimeter. In 2 seconds, 500 plus 500, that is 2 times 500, 1000 centimeter. 3 seconds, 3 into 500. 10 seconds, 10 into 500 centimeter. And in 60 seconds, 60 into 500 centimeter of length of pipe will empty in 1 second. Sorry, in 1 minute. Is it clear? So we can say here in 1 second, what is the length of the pipe getting empty? 500 centimeter of the pipe is getting empty. Then in 60 seconds, 60 into 500 centimeter length of the pipe which is full of water will get empty in 1 minute. Are you getting the point? So we have to find out in 1 minute. So first of all, we will find out the volume of the cylinder whose length is this much and the radius is 7 upon 2, which is they have given you centimeter. So what is the length of that pipe which will empty in 1 minute here, right? So to find that volume, we can calculate the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So volume will be 22 upon 7 into r is how much? 7 upon 2 square, so 7 upon 2, and h is how much? 6 5s are 30 and 12300 centimeter. So I have converted everything into centimeter. Remember this part. So if you calculate this, you will get the answer, and that will be the volume of water coming out in 1 minute. This is the volume of water discharged in 1 minute, which is 60 seconds in it. Fine, 60 seconds. So remember, in 1 second 500 centimeter, 2 seconds 2 into 500, 60 seconds 60 into 500. That is the length of the pipe which will empty if it is completely full of water in 1 minute here. So if I calculate this, let's see what is the answer coming up here, and we have to convert that into liter also. So we'll talk about that also. So 30,000, okay, and you multiply it with 22 and multiply with 49, whatever you get, divided by 28 I would say. So we'll get how much? 1155000 centimeter cube of water will come out in 60 seconds. Now the question arises here, you have to convert this into liter. Remember, 1000 cc or 1000 centimeter cube, same thing, it is centimeter cube, is equal to 1 liter. That is equal to 1 liter. So if you divide it by 1000, you will get the liter in it. So it will be 1155000 divided by 1000. You will get what liter? That will be 1155 liters of water will get discharged in 1 minute here. Is that okay? Now, understood the point here? 1000 cc or 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. So you can convert that. Now the next question in it is that the time in minutes the pipe would fill up the tank here. So first of all, we will find out what is the volume here of this tank. So this is 4 meter, right? So we'll write here 400 centimeter, 3 meter, 300 centimeter, height is 200, this is 231 centimeter. Is that okay? So everything in centimeter, you have to write all of these in unit, proper unit, otherwise there will be a problem in it, right? Now this is the height. Okay, so what is the volume? You divide this volume by, so first of all we find the volume in it. So what is the volume? Volume of tank. And what is the rate the water is coming out? The rate in 1 minute, how much of water comes out? These many liters. So you can convert, okay, this is centimeter cube. So volume of tank is how much? We can calculate L into B into H. And what is 400 into 300 into 231. And if you calculate this, 4 3s are 12. So whatever that we get here, 12 and 4 zeros, right? So 12 and 4 zeros, and you multiply that with 231. 231, that will give you how much? So that will give you here. So volume of the tank is 27,720 and 3 zeros. These many centimeter cube is the volume of the tank. Now in 1 minute, how much of water get filled by this? This much. So we can write unitary method here. In 1 minute, how much of water get filled? 1155000 centimeter cube. Then, or the other way we can write 1155000 centimeter cube in 1 minute. Then 1 centimeter cube in 1 upon 1155000 minute, right? Then comes here how many? 27720 centimeter will get filled up in 27720 upon 1, multiply with this. So 1155000 30 got cancelled, and let's see if I get a complete figure here. 27720 if we divide it by 1,155,000. So it will get exactly 24 minutes. Remember the time was in minutes that we had taken earlier, right? It was in minute, so it will give you the answer in minute also. So it will fill up the entire tank in 24 minutes, and this is the answer here. So it was all unitary method, how to solve it. The only thing you have to remember that yes, if they tell you that there is a pipe, the rate of water coming out from the pipe is say 2 meter per second. So which means that 2 meter length of that pipe, 2 meter length of this pipe of any whatever the radius they have given you will empty up completely. It will empty up in 1 second, right? In 1 second. So if the speed they have given in 1 per second, so this will be there, or in 1 minute or in 1 hour, whatever they tell you. So you have to find. And how do you find the volume? Sometimes the volume could be in not a circular pipe, it could be a rectangular pipe, so it will be cuboidal in that case. So in that case, what you have to do is you find the area of cross section, multiply with the length, right? Here you do the same thing, area of circle into the length. Here also area of cross section will be square or cuboidal, whichever, rectangular, multiply with the length, whatever the length they tell you, get empty in it, and that volume of water will come out in 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, whatever they have given you. So that is what the speed means, and you have to apply that in the question. Okay.